All right, so we're here. We're in the dashboard. If you have not signed up for Ads Manager, it's easy. You just need a business page and a credit card. Not going to go through how to do all of that. I'm going to go through really the logistics here of setting it up. If you have not put together the strategy or thought about it, go into an article that we have inside of our playbook, it's called, on our site that goes through all the different strategy, which will be linked somewhere wherever you're watching this video. I'm going to constantly be also updating that with different case studies as well as some ad copy that you can just copy. But for now, we're going to keep it simple. We're going to go in and we're going to create a contest here. We've already went in and chose our objective as messages inside of the dashboard. Go down here and go to placements. And for this one, I'm just going to do Facebook inside of just the feed. You can do Instagram, but you're going to have to go in and design a picture that's going to get attention, to have people start to read the comments to engage with the ad. I've had a lot better results with these using Facebook, but you can use both. Budget and schedule, I'm not going to go into. Identity, I'm going to pause now and I'm going to start entering in the pictures and everything here for you to see. All right, so I went through here and I have created pretty much everything for the contest in this long form ad, all right? Now, there's a couple ways you can do this. You can put everything here, which I think works really well, as well as create a video that talks about all the different prizes that you could, like I say, use Fiverr, or there's a bunch of other resources out there to get a very inexpensive video, or get up there and just talk about the prizes. Or create a landing page. Now, landing pages is probably the easiest, but we found that a video with a long form ad just like this, explanation of everything, works just as well. So it says all the details here, everything going on, and we're pushing them directly to Messenger. We hit sign up and go through here. Okay, and now I'm going to add a picture, make this complete. All right, see pictures I've got. I want to put one that doesn't look too much like stock images. I found this one. And you want to have it of people. Want to show the lifestyle. So I thought this one was good. Shows younger people. That's our demographic. Signing up, taking pictures, free contest, automation, and vacation. Enter to win, sign up. There you go. All right. So I'm going to go down now, and in here, I'm going to create a custom template. This is how we connect it to RevStack. We're going to want to go in and create a new one. All right. And let's use text and image. I'm going to make it contextual. I'm going to use the same image here in the message. All right. There's the message. Hi, Raymond. It is a pleasure to meet you. Please click the button below to enter. So slow, Facebook sometimes. All right, I've set everything up now. All right, put the picture in, heading, subheading. I'm going to want to add a button. Or you could do quick replies, but button is the best. Add button. All right, scroll this down. Okay, sign up now, send a post back. All right, now you're going to want to go in, if you haven't already, and start to set up inside of RevStack your entire contest. So let me switch over and show you how to do that. All right, so I'm in here now in our test account. I'm going to go down and I'm going to go to sequences. But before I do that, I'm going to want to go all the way down to Tools, Add-ons, Viral Contest. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to name the contest 2019 Automation and Vacation. And I'm going to give 10 extra credits per every referral. And this is going to expire on March 1st at midnight. Okay? As I said before, you can click here, read that article. But for now, I'm going to create the contest. All right? I got everything here. Here's the contest created. Now I'm going to go create a sequence. All right. All right. Let's be. All right. All right, so the first thing I'm going to want them to do is I'm going to go through here. I'm going to ask them all, just like you would once they click that button. I want their phone. Okay, hello. What is the best mobile number to reach you on? And since they're on Messenger, we already have their first name. Okay. We will reach out with a verification code to make sure you're not a cyborg. All right. I always verify because I want to make sure, and this little utility that you see me using is great. It's called Grammarly. It fits right in here and it adjusts all my shitty grammar. Okay. So I want to verify their phone number to make sure that it's a mobile phone number and it's legit. If I'm going to give away all this stuff, I want the number to be good. Okay, so I'm going to do typing, make it delay a couple seconds like it's thinking, and then I'm going to ask for their email. Oops. User input their email. What is the best email to send a confirmation? All right, and then you can ask them whatever you want. I mean, you can go through and create this just like you would any other onboarding bot. There's other videos that I've done on this that are going to show you in depth how you can do this. But the next thing you're going to want to do is add the viral contest part, 2019 automation and vacation, and then this contest has expired. If interested in future contests, please follow us on Instagram. Okay, or whatever you want to say. All right, so what that's going to do is it's going to place the link in to the contest that they can sign up for. So now let's go here, make sure to add the ref code. And let's give it a whirl. All right, mobile number, it's already pre-populated. I'm already confirmed that it's my mobile number since I'm already in our system. So really don't have to, that's why it's not asking me for that verification code, but it would ask me for a code that it would text them automatically to enter to verify it's a working number. All right, so there's my reference code. It gives me the link. Now, As you can see, we've just started using this, so I'm going to want to go back and I'm going to want to preface why they're getting this card. Okay, you are all set. First name. Here is the reference link to share with all of your social circles. Every time someone signs up, you will receive 10 more entries to win. If you, the leader after the contest, who has the most entries will automatically win the grand prize. All right. Then I'm going to put in a typing thing here. Make sure it looks like it's typing. And then you get the idea. All right. So they're going to sign up. I'm going to tell them what this link is for, and then I often like to go in and add image and art. Okay, so I add in this image that they can easily download to their phone, and then I say, here is the image we have been posting online that has received the most clicks. So that way they don't have to go out looking for art or whatever. You can give it all to them. You can send them in an email, set up a landing page, whatever it may be. This is the easy way without landing pages, so I always send it this way. And that's it. Now that they're signed up, you could easily burn them an SMS message and say, hey, first name, the contest ends in 4 days, so make sure to share with as many people as possible. I often go in and I even do a ringless voicemail drop where it's me introducing them and thanking them for signing up. So it's really endless, the follow-up. Anytime that they click this link, okay, and go through the reference link and sign someone up, it's automatically going to take that and assign whatever points that you give, and then they can actually ask and say, hey, how many points do I have? When they ask your chat, it will automatically say, you've got 121 points, or whatever the hell the calculation is, and 5 referrals automatically, so they can stay up to date. So you don't have to sit there and answer about where they are in the contest. All right, next, take this right here, up here, and there's a whole article on this and video and the help desk and how to set up ads. All you need is this postback. That's what that postback URL is. We come back to our ads manager here, and that's where we place the postback. All right, now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go in and make sure, okay, that this is set up correctly. And you're going to want to go in, and if you've already signed up and tested it, erase yourself out of there just so you can get a full test, make sure that the verification code works and everything, and go through and test it out. Okay? But right now, you can go in, I know it works, but you can go and hit preview in Messenger, and it will show you this whole experience of what they click to make sure it works. Hit finish. Make sure to name it. All right. Finish. Finish. All right, so we're ready. We have everything set up. You have to adjust your budget. You have to put everything in here, make a nice video. One trick though, make sure, and this is a new thing with Facebook, and I do not think they've corrected it yet, go into crop image, and make sure that the image is cropped correctly. See how that her hand was cut out? Get half of that guy's face. Confirm. Okay, good. I always like to show people having fun in the pictures, unless you're in like real estate or something. Always have people, it's a social platform. I like to take pictures or find ones that don't look too stocky. So these people look normal. I hate stock art, so make sure to get a good picture. All right, hit confirm. All right, here's the trick. I'm going to pause this for a second while it loads. All right, so it's in review. It's waiting to get approved. This is if I'm sending people to it to Messenger. The only way for you to post a link with the button that goes specifically to a sequence inside of Facebook, if you want to post this to your followers, is to do this trick here. It's a little hack that I learned. Go to Ads up here at the top. Go to All Tools and go to Page Posts. All right. Gotta make sure you're on the right page. I've got so many of them here. All right, here's this ad post here. It's only an ad post. It's not a published post. So if I click this, you're gonna see how it looks. Okay, close this. I'm gonna wanna hit it, okay, and hit publish. All right, now it should have published to my wall. All right, so let's go out, and there you go, look. It's got all the information. You can see here, you can go in and hit sign up. And look, here we go. All right. Sign up now, looks all good. Right here, you can see in the right corner. That is how now you can go and start sharing this with all your followers. Have them come to this page. I'm not really sure why this looks like this without the full picture. So I'm gonna have to go back and mess with this a little bit. You know Facebook. Sometimes it's a glitchy system. There's just little things about it. I'm gonna have to go back and edit the ad and make sure that it looks right because I don't like the way that this looks. However, it worked. So as you can see here, if I hit sign up now, goes right into it again. There you go. So that is a great way. I've just shown you how to set up a full contest, read the article on what to give away and how to give it away, and start doing this. Now, I'm in a SaaS business, B2B. If you're signing up for RevStack, it's not built for that. I have used these to set up a lot of B2B contests, but if you're in B2C, this works extremely well. I mean, you can give away a lot of different prizes. You can really get it, if you do it correctly, a local following. There's even ways, as I said, I'm going to do more and more videos on how to get local PR, how to make it funny, so that you get a ton of traffic and a lot of free signups that you can then pivot and sell some type of service. That's the goal here. You give away a prize that is of some monetary or time value to pivot to sell all those people a 20% or 50% discount on our software as an example. So that is how you set it up. Now the other way to do this is to go in and do the same process but set up what's called a lead ad. And a lead ad is where you just take the form and information of people signing up through Facebook and you gather it without them leaving Facebook itself. Now, if you want to learn how to do that, go in and check out in our help portal. I show you exactly how to set up lead ads and do the same process of running the ad and then going in and posting it. I've even done this where I pretty much set up every ad like this, every post. That's either going to be, as you can see here, a comment bot. And that's another way to do this, is to do comment bot to get people to comment below to engage, which is going to be the next course that I show you how to do that. So there's a lot of ways to use this viral contest. Put it in your playbook, start launching these, and you're going to, as I said, I'm like a broken record, but I'm very passionate about this. You're going to start to see results. Do it, make it happen, and I'll see you on the next training course. Have a great day.